Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is a small vlog in which I have included a simple and tasty dinner recipe along with our drive to Wadi Leban. After having our lunch, we are now out for a drive. So thought of visiting Wadi Leban, which is in Riyadh. We are now passing through the hanging bridge. This bridge is also called as Wadi Leban Bridge. So the Wadi should be also somewhat in this area. So here comes a signboard for Wadi Leban. The view from here to the valley is very beautiful. We are now just passing below the bridge. It's a beautiful view from here. There are many farms and resorts in this place. So now moving forward, we have seen the signboard. That means Wadi Leban is close to us. So on the left side, what you can see, this is the main place for Wadi Leban. There is not much water. There are many constructions work going on here. So maybe this area is under renovation. For us, we felt that this place is good just for a drive, as there are many mountains here and you can just have a drive and then see the natural beauty. Now we have just taken a U-turn. Now I'll just show you the view of this wadi. Here you can see there are some construction vehicles here. Close to this wadi is next is Wadi Hanifa. So we thought of having a drive through that place also and then go back home. After reaching home, thought of preparing a simple dinner. So for that, I'm going to boil here 3 eggs. While boiling, I have added some salt. Meantime, let's prepare the vegetables. So I'm using here 2 medium-sized potato, peeling the skin, then 1 eggplant. This also I'm just discarding the skin. Next, thinly slice the potato and eggplant. Next to the eggplant and potato, add some chili flakes. Then some garlic powder. Instead of this, you can also use fresh garlic. Then some olive oil along with some salt. And then rub this onto this veggies. Next, you can either grill this in an oven or on a pan. Here I'm going to grill this on a pan. Meantime, let's prepare a red sauce. For that, onto a pan, add some olive oil, then some chopped garlic, then an onion chopped. Slightly fry this. Season with some salt. Next, add quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, next add some chicken stock or plain water and cook this for another 5 minutes. In between add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Next preparing a simple white sauce. For that heating some butter, then adding some flour. Next to this adding some milk gradually. Season the white sauce with some salt, nutmeg and oregano. Next to this add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Next add half cup of sweet corn. Here I have used frozen. Now cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes and then the white sauce is ready. Next we will be needing 2 to 3 slices of bread. Here I have used whole wheat bread. Slightly powder them. Next onto a baking tray or onto a pan, add some olive oil, that's around 1 teaspoon. Then mix in the powdered bread and then spread the bread as a layer. Then layer the grilled veggies. Here I have used only eggplant and potato. You can use any veggies as per your choice. Next, spread the red sauce. Next, place the boiled eggs and then season the eggs with some salt and pepper. And then finally the white sauce. Next you can either bake this in an oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes or else you can cook this way keeping on very low flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes until you could see bubbles coming out from the sides. But make sure that you keep it on very low flame else the bottom layer, that's the bread, will get burned quickly. So now the simple and tasty dinner is served. You can finally garnish with some red chili flakes. For a change, you can try this out either for your breakfast or dinner and do make variations by adding your own veggies. So hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.